A national weather severe has issued a thunderstorm warning is now in effect for this area until Wednesday. This storm is expected to bring dangerous lightning, strong winds, and potential damage to trees, power lines, and surrounding infrastructure. All civilians are instructed to remain inside their homes. Do not go outside under any circumstances during the storm period. Stay indoors, lock all doors and windows, and avoid contact with electrical devices connected to outlets. Prepare for possible power outages and sudden weather changes. Lightning strikes may occur and can pose serious danger. Take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others from hazardous conditions. Follow all safety instructions and remain alert until the warning has officially ended.